Question number 27. The tool of analysis of financial statements which indicates the trend and direction of financial position and operating result is comparative statement. Next, go to bits are available. Comparative statement are available in bit A. Answer is A. Next, 27B. Ratios that are calculated for measuring the efficiency of operations of the business based on effective utilization of resource are known as turnover ratio. Next, go to bit. Turnover ratio is available, bit number C. Next, 28. The debt equity ratio of Monarch Enterprises is 2.5:1. Which of the following transactions will result in increase this ratio? The debt equity ratio of Monarch Enterprise is 2.5:1. Debt equity ratio formula: debt divided by equity. Debt equal to debenture plus long-term loan account. Equity equal to equity and preference share capital plus reserve and surplus. Debt means debenture, that is long term, plus long term loan. Equity means equity and preference share capital plus reserve and surplus equal to 2.5/1. Next, which of the following transactions will result in increase in this ratio? Increase the ratio means 2.5 will increase, 1 will not increase. It means if below side equity share or preference share capital or reserve and surplus will increase, then 1 will increase and percentage will decrease. It means debenture or long-term loan will increase. Next, purchase of goods on credit. Purchase of goods on credit means purchase of goods, creditor will increase. Here creditor is not available, but stock is not also available. So it is not impacting the ratio. Purchase of goods on credit, no link with debt equity ratio. Payment to creditor rupees 3 lakh. Payment to creditor, that is also no link with debt equity ratio. Why? Creditor will decrease, bank will decrease. Bank comes under current asset, not available. Creditor comes under current liability, not available. So no link with debt equity. Issue of debenture of rupees 6 lakh. Issue of debenture, it means debenture increase. So above part will increase, numerator side is increase. It means the transaction, it means debt equity ratio will increase. Link with debt equity ratio, it means debenture increase, it means debt equity ratio increase. Next bit, sale of furniture of the book value of rupees 4 lakh at a profit of 10%. Sale of furniture, here profit is available, sale of furniture is available. Link with debt equity ratio because reserve and surplus includes profit. It means denominator side will increase, then debt equity ratio decrease. Reserve and surplus increase, then debt equity ratio will decrease. But question asked increase, therefore answer is point number C. Next, which of the following are operating activities for the purpose of preparing cash flow statement? Cash payment to suppliers for goods and service. Cash payment to supplier for goods and service. Creditor decrease. Operating activity. Question next, purpose of preparing cash flow statement. Next, dividend received from investment in other enterprise. Dividend received, investing activities. Cash received from royalty, fee, commission and other revenue. This is revenue received or royalty received, that is operating activities. Cash repayment of amount borrowed. Cash repayment of amount borrowed, that is loan decreases. Amount borrowed, if repayment, loan decreases, then loan comes under financial activity, so it is financial activities. Answer, operating activity 1, 2, Question next, which of the following are operating activity? 1 is operating activity, 3 is operating activity. Therefore, answer B. Next, which is a wrong sentence? Which is a wrong sentence? Payment of dividend and interest will result in cash outflow from finance activities. Payment of dividend and interest will result in cash flow from finance activities. Payment of dividend and interest, finance activity. Correct. Payment of employee benefit expenses will result in cash outflow from operating activity. Payment of employees benefit expenses, operating activity. Correct. Receipt of interest and dividend will result in cash inflow from finance activity. Receipt of dividend and interest, that is financing activity. Wrong answer. Investing activity. If paid interest and dividend paid, that is comes under finance activity. If interest and dividend received, that comes under investing activity. In question it is finance activity, therefore it is wrong. Next, operating activities are the principal revenue generating activities of the enterprise. Principal revenue generating expenses, operating activities, and correct. Therefore, answer is C. Receipt of interest and dividend will result in cash inflow from finance activity. Next, statement 1. Investing activities are the acquisition and disposal of long-term asset and other investment not included in cash equivalent. Yes, sentence is correct. Statement 1. Investing activities, acquisition and disposal of long-term assets. It is long-term investment, long-term fixed asset and long-term investment. Statement 2. Cash payment to acquire fixed asset including intangible and capitalized research and development result in cash outflow from investing activity. Cash payment to acquire fixed asset including intangibles and capitalized research and development research in cash outflow from investing activities. Yes, everything are investing activities. Statement 2. Correct, correct. It is investing activities. Answer. Both the statement are true.